Good morning, ladies. Well, it's midweek already, and I hope you have plans to come shop with us here at Marla June's. We're open today, so we're open Wednesday to Saturday, 11 to 5. And we have our spring clearance sales going on. So we started last week, but I will keep the spring sales going, and we will have we'll add to our spring sale, and we'll have some new markdowns each week. So be sure to come in and check it out because we have lots of new coming in. So we have to make room. So I'm just going to show you today a few things I pulled off of my spring clearance racks. So I'm calling it Clear the Racks, Reduce Inventory. And so I pulled a few outfits that you could make a whole outfit out of, a sale item. So everything is 40 up to 70% off. So this is a great little outfit that's going to fit my size 4-6. It's a navy blue little cardi, adorable. And then this is a great little wide leg in the cream with the navy. But what a cute outfit that is, all on sale. Both of these are half price, so they're on the half off. So a great little outfit for my size 4-6. This one I pulled is also going to fit that size 4-6. So this is a dressy little wide leg. So you could totally dress that up with a great little top. And I picked this great little jacket. It's a little bit shorter. It's a beautiful ivory with black. So this outfit is also going to fit my size 4-6. And then this outfit off the sale rack is going to fit my size 14-16. So this is a beautiful Kelly Green Frank Lyman. So this is going to fit my size 14. It's actually a size 16 and it runs a little roomy. So I think this top will fit a 16-18. And then I'm going to put it back with one of our little wide legs that we have on the sale rack. This is a size 14. So a great little outfit. This is going to fit my size 16. And then this is a great little outfit in the beautiful red. I have an 8 and a 12. This is a nice little red wide leg pant. This is the longer car coat style in the little jacket. These are great little jackets. You can put that back with your favorite denim. But if you wanted a great little outfit, we have this on our Clear the Racks. We have an 8 and a 12 in both pieces. And then I wanted to show this because it's such a great color and it's such a great little sweater that really you can wear all year long if you're inside and you need to take a little cover up. So it's not heavy. It's a beautiful camel color. I have a medium and an XL. They do run a little generous, so I feel like the medium is going to fit that size medium large, and then the XL is going to fit that XL double X. So beautiful. These are half off. So everything I'm showing you is on my 40, 50, 60, 70% off spring reduction sale. And then of course, this great little jacket I'm wearing, I have a small in. So this is just a great little, not too heavy, really cute. And so this is on the half off rack too. So I hope I've inspired you to come in, shop with us. We've got our spring reduction, Clear the Rack sales going on, but we have new arrivals showing up every day too. So this week I will be getting in a new hobo order too. So we'll have new hobo bags in the house. So thank you all. Thank you all for shopping with us here at Marla June's. I appreciate you. See you right here.